Hi, my name is Barry Wilkins and I'm the sales manager here at Grassy Creek South. I'm excited to start this journey with you in one of our Warren Township communities, Grassy Creek South. As we start this home building journey together, I'm looking forward to leading you through each step and helping you with any questions you may have. Homeowners love living in Grassy Creek for 3 reasons: included features, smaller community feel, and proximity to shopping and dining. Your new home in Grassy Creek South has fiber cement siding, a tree and shrub package, and sodded front yard, all included in your new home. With only 103 lots in this community, Grassy Creek South gives homeowners a small community feel. This makes it easier for you to get to know your neighbors. Your new home is close to Warren Township schools, delicious restaurants, and beautiful parks. Come out and visit Grassy Creek South to learn more about Arbor Homes. Let's start building your new home today.